Welcome to Unlocking Your Mind's Potential, a guide to improving mind power. In this video, we will explore practical tips and life lessons to enhance your mental capabilities and achieve your full potential. Just as your body needs nourishment, your mind requires the right food. Read, learn, and expose yourself to new ideas. Books, podcasts, and educational content are your mental superfoods. Physical exercise isn't just for your body. It boosts blood flow to your brain, improving cognitive function and reducing stress. Make it a habit. Your brain loves challenges. Solve puzzles, riddles, or play brain games to keep it sharp. Pushing your limits enhances your cognitive abilities. Embrace mindfulness meditation. It not only reduces stress but also enhances focus and clarity, allowing your mind to harness its full potential. A balanced diet is crucial. Nutrient-rich foods provide the fuel your brain needs to function at its best. Remember, a healthy body supports a healthy mind. Define your objectives. Setting clear, achievable goals gives your mind direction and motivation. It's a roadmap to unlocking your true potential. Create a space that promotes learning and productivity. A clutter-free, organized environment minimizes distractions and fosters concentration. Time is your most valuable resource. Efficient time management helps you allocate your energy where it matters most. Keep an open mind and never stop learning. The more you know, the more you empower your mind to adapt and grow. Positive relationships boost your mental strength. Choose friends and mentors who inspire and encourage you. As you embark on this journey to unlock your mind's potential, remember that it's a lifelong endeavor. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant improvements. Stay committed, stay curious, and watch your mind's power grow. Engaging in creative activities like painting, writing, or playing an instrument allows you to tap into your imagination and enhances problem-solving abilities. Limit your screen time and disconnect from the digital world periodically. A digital detox can refresh your mind, reduce stress, and improve your focus. Take time to reflect on your thoughts and actions. Self-awareness is the key to personal growth and enhanced decision-making. Your inner dialogue matters. Replace self-doubt and negativity with positive affirmations. It can boost your confidence and overall mental strength. Ensure you get enough restful sleep. Sleep is when your brain processes information and recharges for the day ahead. Spending time alone allows your mind to wander, explore, and recharge. It's essential for self-discovery and creativity. Life is full of challenges. Developing resilience helps you bounce back from setbacks, making you mentally stronger. Extend mindfulness beyond meditation. Be present in your daily activities, from eating to walking, and truly experience the moment. Acts of kindness and service to others not only improve your sense of purpose, but also activate the brain's reward centers, boosting your mental well-being. Your mind is a remarkable tool, and these life lessons can help you unlock its true potential. Remember, the journey to a more powerful mind is ongoing, and every effort you invest is a step towards a brighter future. Thank you for watching Unlocking Your Mind's Potential. If you found this video enlightening, please share it with others who may benefit. For more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and reach out to us with your thoughts and questions.